Good morning students. Today we will discuss some important questions, that is the problem based on quadratic polynomial. As we have already studied in chapter 7, that is the simplification of quadratic equations or quadratic polynomials. Now in this chapter or in this session we will discuss an important question or the problem based on quadratic polynomial. Our first question is the speed of an ordinary train is x km per hour. Question is given a speed of an ordinary train and the express train. Once again read the question. The speed of an ordinary train is x km per hour and of that of express train is x plus 25 km per hour. Obvious here the speed of express train is more than ordinary train. That is about 25 km is more than the ordinary train. Now our first question is given, find the time taken by each train to cover 300 km. The question is asking that what is the time or find out the time taken by each train, means our first train, that is ordinary train, and the second train is express train, to cover 300 km. Now first of all we will find out the time taken. We know the formula, that formula is, what is the formula of distance? Distance is equal to what? Distance is equal to speed into time. This is very, you can say that this is a master formula of a speed or distance time chapter. Okay, this is a master formula. Now from this formula we can determine or we can find out time, because the question is the question ask that find the time taken by each train. From this formula time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, now let, as in the question, that the speed of ordinary train is given as x km per hour for the first, means for ordinary train, and for express train. Okay, for ordinary train a speed is given, means a speed of ordinary train is x km per hour. Okay, and to cover the distance of 300 kilometers, means a speed of ordinary train is given x km per hour and a speed of express train is given as x plus 25 km per hour, and distance is given as 300 km, and for the express train also the distance is given as 300 km. From here we can find out time. Time of ordinary train is, what is the formula of time? Time is the formula, that is time is equal to distance divided by speed, 300 divided by what? X. This will be our equation number 1. Okay, and time of the express train will be as 300 divided by what? X plus 25. I think up to this our first question has been solved. Question has been asked, find the time taken by each train to cover 300 km. For the question number 1, our time taken by ordinary train is 300 divided by x, what? Hour, and for the express train is what? 300 divided by x plus 25 hour. Now read the question, second one. If the ordinary train takes 2 hours more than the express train, means you know that the speed of ordinary train. I think everybody is clear up to this step. We got this polynomial, that is x square plus 25x minus 25 into 150. Now we have to factorize this one, that in order to get this. So for this, if we 75x minus 50x, if we add it, that is 75x minus 50, we will get 25x, and if we multiply this 75 into 50, we will get this one. Okay, that is 25 into 3 into 50, what? That is 75 into 50. For here we are not going to multiply, because again we have to factorize this one, so we are not going to multiply this. Okay, And again write this equation, that is x square plus 75x minus 50x minus 25 into 150, or we can write as 75 into 50, okay, is equal to 0. Now take the common as x from this one. From we take as x square, from x square we take x, then we will get the remaining will get as x plus 75 minus 50 into x plus 75, okay, is equal to 0. How we get that here plus? Because if we take as minus 75 means if we take minus as a common, okay, or minus 50 as a common, then here we will get as plus 75. Now x minus 50 into x plus 75 is equal to 0. From this, from here we will get two values of x, that is x is equal to 50 and x is equal to minus 75. As we know that x is equal to minus 5 will not be the possible, because speed cannot be negative. So neglecting the negative values of x, we will get the x is equal to 50. From here we will get the speed of what? Speed of ordinary train will be as 50. A speed of ordinary train will be considered as 50 km per hour, and a speed of express train will be considered as what? 50. Here the question is given, that is calculate the speed of express train. Then the speed of express train will be 75 km. Thank you दोस्तों. I think in this session I have discussed only one question. Thank you.